Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Brown here, along with Mr. Brown. Say hi, Mr. Brown.
Hello.
We're going to learn another dance today. My second, third, and fourth grade students at South Kearns Elementary are learning or have learned this song before. For all my other grades, this is a fun one for all of you. Please enjoy it. We're going to go through a step-by-step tutorial at the beginning, then we'll put it all together with the music. This is a great one for you to do with your family, or please feel free to perform it for your family. I hope you enjoy it. Comes from a classic American musical, Annie, and the song is You're Never Fully Dressed Without a Smile. So I'll go through the moves first, break it down into chunks. Again, then we'll put it together. Here's the first part. Standing ready, okay, I call this actors neutral. We're gonna kind of dust off ourselves here, get a smile ready, put our hands like this, and we're going to go this direction. I'm going to do a step, touch, with the lyrics. Hey, hobo man, hey, dapper Dan. Next part. You both got your style, but brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Go ahead and practice that. If you need to start over, that's great. But now we'll move on. Next part is ba-da, 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 clap. Now dust off your shoes. Your clothes may be Beau Bromley. They stand out a mile. And here we go again. But brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Excellent. Next part, we're going to march in place. Here's the lyrics with it. Who cares what they're wearing on Main Street or Savile Row? Good job. Next part. It's what you wear from ear to ear and not from head to toe. That matters. Okay, here we go. Last part. So senator, so janitor, give a wave. So long for a while, point to someone. Remember, you're never fully dressed. Point to someone else, though you may wear your best. And point at me. You're never fully dressed. And we're going to look for it without a big smile. Smile, smile, smile. And hands on hips, lean forward. Smile, darn you, smile. Okay, that's the step-by-step. Now we're going to put it all together and do it with the music. Here we go. Get ready to dust off. Dust off. Smile and face. Ready, go this way. Hey, hobo man, hey, dapper Dan. You both got your style, but brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. Your clothes may be Beau Bromley. They stand out a mile, but brother, you're never fully dressed without a smile. Marching in place, here we go. Who cares what they're wearing on Main Street or Savile Row? It's what you wear from ear to ear and not from head to toe. That matters. So senator, so janitor, so long for a while. Remember, you're never fully dressed, though you may wear your best. You're never fully dressed without a smile. Smile, 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 darn you, smile. Yay, you guys, you did it. And I only made a couple of mistakes. I hope you caught them. Thanks so much. Please enjoy this. I would love to hear your comments about how you're enjoying this. Maybe even take a video of you and your family doing it and post it up in our classroom. See you soon with another song and dance. Bye, Mr. Brown. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, kids.